Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Di depan saya ini adalah siswi MTSN 2 Probolinggo. Nama dia adalah Nisa Atikasari yang baru-baru ini meraih medali emas dalam bidang lomba bahasa Inggris. Kan begitu Anissa ya?
Iya.
Baik. Anissa, saya ingin berbicara dengan Anda dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Bisa kan?
Bisa.
Oke. Kita awali dulu. Anissa, would you like to tell me your complete name?
My complete name is Nisa Atikasari.
Yeah. And where are you from?
I'm from Bulang and from Kecamatan Gending in Divisi Probolinggo.
Ya. Oke. Jadi Nisa ini berasal dari desa. Kebetulan dia berasal dari desa Bulang, Kecamatan Gending, begitu Nisa ya? And how many brothers and sisters do you have, Nisa?
I have 3 sisters.
Yeah. And how many brothers do you have?
I don't have any.
Ya, dia tidak punya saudara sama sekali. Dia punya 3 saudari. And what is your father, Anissa? And what is your mother?
My father is Pancai Mayohanis and my mother is Amaratul Jamila.
No, I mean not name. What is your father's occupation? What is your father's job?
They work like butchery stuff.
Mm-hmm.
They have like their own like wirausaha.
Iya, wirausaha ya, terkenal ya. Oke. Anissa ini berasal bukan dari keluarga orang ya kayak keluarganya DPR bukan, tapi dia berasal dari keluarga wirausaha begitu kan, Anissa ya. Kemudian what is your mother? What is your mother's occupation?
My mother and father work together.
Oh ya, jadi orang tua Nisa, baik bapak dan ibunya, dia adalah seorang wirausaha. Oke. I'm interested to your English skills, Anissa, and how learned your English? How when you learn your English? Is your mother English teacher?
My mother is not an English teacher,
Yeah.
but my mother and father also know English.
Yeah. Okay. So every day your parents speak English with you?
Well, no. Every day I read and listen to English stuff, so
Yeah.
I get used to it,
Yeah.
and I tend to learn it, wanting to having interest about
Yeah.
learning.
So how to practice your English every day? It's practiced by yourself, or you listening to music, or listening to the news from the TV, or something else?
When I was in first grade, I got interested in English films,
Mm-hmm.
like maybe cartoons,
Mm-hmm.
like Frozen, Tangled, and like Disney princesses.
Yeah.
But they were in English and with Indonesian subtitles.
Yeah.
So when I first watched it, I was like interested in learning a new language.
Yep.
So when I was in first grade, I just kept on watching the cartoons.
Is there your partner of English speaker when you practice your English at home?
I don't practice my English at home.
Yep.
I just watch YouTube videos.
Mm-hmm.
When
Yeah, I see
was-
that. Okay, I see that. Yeah. And luar biasa skill yang dimiliki oleh Nisa ini. Dia ternyata belajar bahasa Inggris tidak menggunakan banyak cara sebagaimana orang lain menggunakannya. Dia hanya praktek dengan mendengarkan musik, kemudian juga mendengarkan film-film. Maksud saya menonton film-film begitu, Anissa. Dan juga dia praktek dengan dengan pronunciation yang ada di situ, sehingga dengan seperti itu dia lancar sekali berbahasa Inggris. Oke, Anissa luar biasa. Anissa, and when you studied in elementary school, is your English? Is there subject of English at school?
Yes, there was.
Yeah.
From first grade to fourth grade.
Yeah.
But when it was fifth grade and sixth grade, my English teacher quit. So there was no English when it was fifth and sixth grade.
Ya. Jadi waktu dia di sekolah dasar, elementary school or ME, SD or ME?
Yes.
SD, waktu dia di sekolah dasar, dia belajar juga bahasa Inggris di kelas 1 sampai kelas 4. And what about in class 5 and class 6?
In class 5 and 6, me and my friends only learned
Yeah.
bahasa Jawa.
Yeah.
And there was no English, so
There is no English subject.
there's no
Iya. Oke. Jadi waktu dia di SD, dia belajar bahasa Inggris dari kelas 1 sampai kelas 4. Begitu kan Anissa? Sementara di kelas 5 dan kelas 6 dia tidak belajar bahasa Inggris, tapi mulok kira-kira begitu ya. Pelajaran muatan lokalnya yang ada di situ adalah pelajaran bahasa Jawa. Bahasa Jawa adalah merupakan bahasa harian dari bahasa daerah di sekitar lingkungan dia, dan selain dari bahasa Jawa mungkin juga bahasa Madura. Baik, Nisa, saya sangat senang sekali dengan prestasi yang Anda miliki. Baru-baru ini Anda mendapatkan mendapatkan medali emas sebagaimana yang telah di-share di media sosial MTSN 2 Probolinggo ini. Kurang lebihnya adalah seperti ini, saya tunjukkan ke kamera ya. Ini adalah Nisa Atika Sari, ucapan selamat dari Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 2 ini sebagai peraih medali emas ya dalam ajang Olimpiade Siswa Indonesia tingkat nasional yang diselenggarakan oleh Astikom dan The Hati Global Love Mapel Bahasa Inggris pada tanggal 30 Oktober ya. Well, Nisa, what subject is it? What topic about that you got gold medals in?
it was English subject, and it was all about questions. There was no like speaking and anything. It was through online.
Yeah. Question and answer, yeah.
Yes.
There was a question and you answered. Is it multiple choice question?
Yes.
Or is it?
Choice.
Multiple choice questions, yeah. And what do you think about the question? Is it very difficult or not?
To be honest, I
Yeah.
think it wasn't too hard.
Yeah.
It was pretty easy for me
Yeah.
since I finished it in 20 minutes.
Is it how long is it to finish it?
We have 1 hour to finish it
Yeah, you have 20 minutes on.
because I was celebrating my sister's graduation, and I was at Universitas Brawijaya.
Yeah.
And I didn't think I had enough time to focus on my sisters, so I just finished it quickly and just trust whatever I choose.
Yep. So the time is given you about 1 hour,
Yeah.
and you finish it about 20 minutes. So you are faster. Yeah, than the time limited, right? Oh ya. Baiklah. Soal baru-baru ini yang telah diberikan sampai meraih medali emas yang diraih oleh Nisa ini adalah soal yang jatah waktunya sampai 1 jam begitu Nisa ya. 1 jam, ternyata Nisa mampu menyelesaikannya hanya 20 minutes, hanya 20 menit menyelesaikan waktu mengerjakan soal itu. Sungguh sangat fantastik sekali apa yang telah dilakukan oleh Nisa ini. Luar biasa Nisa. Oke. Soal-soalnya setelah saya tanyakan tadi, apakah soalnya itu very difficult or not? ternyata soalnya juga sangat sulit ya, sangat membutuhkan analisa-analisa yang cukup mengerjakan soal itu, sehingga walaupun demikian Nisa mampu menyelesaikannya tidak dalam waktu cukup lama sebagaimana waktu yang telah disediakan sampai 1 jam, cukup dia mengerjakannya 20 menit. Oke, very good. Oke, Nisa, there's advice from you how to learn English well for your not up level, yeah, for under level of you here at the grade 8 or grade 7. So ini advice from you.
Well, I think learning English is better with like a tutor. And honestly, when I was in 3rd grade, I had English lessons in iTutor in Kapsan Semampir, because my mom thought I was potential in English, so she had me have lessons. And I think it's really good to have lessons in English because you'll get used to it easier. And honestly, when I had these lessons, I did it for like a year, and my English got like so much better after those lessons.
Okay, I know from most of the people of Indonesia, learning English is not so difficult. But the difficult one to learn English is how to pronounce English well. The thing is very, very difficult. So when I see you right now, your pronunciation is good. So ini the key how to learn the good pronunciation.
I learned pronunciations by listening to music and also just watching films like when I was a child.
Did you ever practice your English to native speaker?
I once met a tourist in Bali, and I talked with them for like a few minutes just because I wanted to try talking English.
How many times did you go to Bali?
I went to Bali for 4 times already, and two of those times I talked to the tourists.
Yeah. Okay. What do you feel when you met a tourist in Bali?
I felt excited because I had someone to talk to in English.
Yeah.
And I wanted to know if they could understand my English well or would they be confused at it.
Yeah.
And I'm glad they understood me well and they weren't confused at anything I said.
Yeah. If there is no tourist, if there is not a speaker to practice your English, so every day what did you do? How to improve, how to develop your English speaker?
I just naturally got this English action well.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, well, baiklah, luar biasa yang dilakukan oleh Nisa ini. Dia ketika dalam waktu senggang dia praktek ya bahasa Inggris Nisa itu ke turis ya. Turis itu native speaker. Jadi sangat senang sekali ketika bertemu dengan turis ya. Karena di situ bisa mempraktekkan apa yang dimiliki oleh Nisa, sehingga ada kepuasan tersendiri. Apa yang dia pelajari tiap hari, apa yang dia dengarkan di film, apa yang dia lihat di film dan didengarkan di listening musik dan seterusnya, dia bisa mempraktekkan kepada orang yang punya bahasa itu sendiri, yaitu native speaker, sehingga merasa puas dengan pronunciation yang dia miliki. Sungguh luar biasa, Nisa. Oke. Anissa, tadi Anda menyampaikan juga untuk adik-adik kelas Anda, ya, kelas 7 dan kelas 8 yang selama ini ada di MTS N2 ini, untuk selalu belajar ya, untuk selalu belajar dan jangan pernah merasa puas ya dengan apa yang dimiliki saat ini dengan bahasa Inggris itu. Dan bahasa Inggris bukan sesuatu yang it's not difficult ya, sebenarnya tidak sulit kan begitu Anissa ya? Jadi bahasa Inggris bukan sesuatu yang sulit. Ternyata Anissa, walaupun orang Indonesia, bahkan wajahnya juga wajah orang Indonesia, dia bisa berbahasa sebagaimana boleh ya. Ya, sungguh saya sangat tertarik dengan pronunciation Nisa ya, karena tidak semua anak seusia Nisa itu bisa memiliki pronunciation bahasa Inggris yang seperti Anda. Oke Nisa, the last question. Anissa, after you graduated from this school, where will you continue your study?
My study.
Yeah, after graduating from this school, after next year, where will you continue your study?
Where?
Yeah,
I
where?
will continue at MAN 2 Malang.
Yeah.
And
So what is your motivation when you choose MAN 2 Malang?
honestly, it's just what my parents
Yeah.
chose for me to do.
Uh-huh.
And I want to follow it because I don't have any choices.
Yeah. So there are choices, but your parents choose it, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, oke, luar biasa cita-cita dari Nisa. Setelah lulus dari ATSN 2 ini, dia memilih justru ke Kota Malang ya. Insya Allah Jalan Bandungnya MAN 2 Malang. Ya, MAN 2 Malang adalah merupakan pilihan dari Nisa, pilihan dari orang tua Nisa, di mana orang tuanya memilih dia untuk melanjutkan studi di Malang. Oke, thank you very much Anissa. Ya, mudah-mudahan terus berkembang ya bahasa Inggrisnya Anissa. Baik, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.